balik lagi. Kaya apa? Semua. Baik saya. Itu baru. Ya, kalau sampai dulu. Jauh banget kan beda dia. Ya, itu. Kamu bera? Hah? Nak syuhin. Bây giờ chúng ta qua ba lại nữa. Nhà rồi tự nhiên thôi. Hả? Saya berapa? Halo ah. Ini para tinggal di sini, alungkan. Ajak, bos. Nice lejak, Falais. Halo ah. Pernah boleh kamera bag? Ini Virgo ah. Wow. Virgo, Virgo apa? Baru lagi tahu. Alhamdulillah. Jat. Ini nana please. Nana Max. Nampak je dia. Bela wajah. Nak bawa nak bang. Nak cuma nanya. Oh. Ada yang buat celuk. Boy, yang ada. Jadi nama yang ada biwan boy. Park up here again, guys. Same beach. My boys and then getting everything organized, getting ready. Really, all the pool, getting the fish organized. The boogie fireman. Same. Then so far you don't know where to get it, guys. Yeah, there. Trying to fit the camper. Yesterday was Monday, now today is Tuesday, guys, so hopefully we have a great day on this beach today again and enjoy yourself. Well, back again, guys. Well, you know what we're doing here with this, huh? We're gonna make a little champita, some coconut limb. I saw and a guy didn't catch when I was climbing the tree to chop them down because I didn't have no one to take care of the camera. But anyway, I got a little piece for Anna, guys. So while we getting it hooked up, I'll try and get all the footage from. You don't have a couple in on stock them.
no. You don't thought they were going about sure, huh? For all them fish.
You got for all the fish at the moment and yesterday, no? Panna, panna. Hey, lead them all take piece, lead them all take piece. Nice. See the banana peel out there, he there wax today. But anyway, they will let champ out of the bill, no? They will let champ out of the little that the fryer for the week, the fireman for the week. I just on a break, dealing with the camera. Got my boys and them behind, helping them up.
Are you looking for a place to stay in Roatan, Honduras? Look no further. Welcome to your tropical sanctuary in Roatan. This stunning 2-bedroom, 1-bath villa is the perfect blend of comfort and island charm. Enjoy a full kitchen, a cozy living room, and a breezy dining area. Ideal for laid-back meals after a day of snorkeling or beach hopping. Sip your morning coffee on the deck with sweeping ocean views, then unwind to the sounds of the jungle. Check the link in the description to book your stay.
Ain't nobody see me no bad. How you say you love a nigga, you don't even like my Instagram shit. Every day I hustle, get a script on all the name, gave a nigga shit. They took my brother from me, they took my brother from me, they took the love of me. So I believe them. Popping medication, drinking moon. Rain suicide, no fucking making music. Lord, don't let me lose.
But he can't put in like in the fire. No way he can't, no. You don't care? Yeah, still late. Oh, sir.
Kids and plus I'm broke. We've been sleeping on the floor.
Yeah, that's a good drain. What the drain on, man?
Said it don't pass out my door until the vehicle.
What are you talking about bringing force?
They're not that bad. No fish, no thought.
Yeah.
Got a couple hundreds on me, couple hundreds on me. Not just put some ice on my. I should put some ice on my baby. Don't care about no price for my baby.
I'm doing all right, put it there for now.
Money on money, keeping it coming, I'm keeping it coming. I should put some ice on my baby. Don't care about no price for my baby.
Okay, mother.
We gon' fuck all night, you drive me crazy. We gon' fuck all night, you drive me crazy. You model type said, well, shoot, bottle type applying pressure. I'm being honest with you when I talk, I'm not finessing. I'm looking at your face, I'm having to see you addressing. For the combo, nicely combo, got me a rush. In the studio, I let you sitting on my set. I got people who rush. I can't be too careful, gotta pay for funerals. I can't travel not this set. Every time I hit your phone, baby, you know my only question. When it's sweet, we get together, cancel plans, and it's whatever. Gotta buy
No, yeah.
I can't wait to see you, Nick. Ice you up, I got you big. On these basic old you step, running through it like Luke Jack.
And a bit of bubbled kush.
The hard way. Put me over coming with the dope, that's my hard way. Pouring liquor for my nigga that gone, Thug holiday.
What you say you wanna look? Come cut to them.
Come and spot right up there. But yeah, no. Good luck. Still young, man. Still young? Still young, but...
All the rest of them all the rest of them sofa. These niggas play gangster, but they won't approach me.
Got too late already,
Bog, you can pedal that to the fishes.
Willie, start sharing, Willie.
You got to start sharing?
Yeah.
In that hot eye right there.
In my fish. Which hot eye?
Billy, you fed it, I'll do it.
Which hot eye, Laura?
What you say, you want to do them fish, Laura? You afraid of head?
It's too loud.
You let put some eye before.
Loving me is hard. I apologize if I push you away. Promise you'll stay by my side.
Listen, try to fight me, man.
Gotta remember way back when small kid, I didn't ever have no
Best part fishing is 18.
Took me in, Uncle Derry with them. If I push you away, promise you'll stay by my side. He's been broken from the start. Yeah, yeah. The time that you get back, I'll be gone. Scared of being alone, and where I lay my hat is my home. And I know that you're frustrated, you want me to open more. Strong hard to heal my broken soul. Broken soul. Broken.
You belong, man.
Finish the floor them.
Even if they riding with you, all the ones that bring you down. Yeah, niggas gon' come around if you don't got shit to offer. Bitches that hold you down, but nigga, that shit is awful. Soon as you stop breaking bread, they changing the shit. Wish your body would've come to a game. Everybody changing on me. They like the movement, they on me. It's all looking like the people I see. The bro niggas don't hate me. Niggas know me to call, only they say run the game like the road. Sorry, I can't make time, be living on space time. That shit got a block, say that bitch the geek box. Yeah, yeah.